We have updated RoadDrain, our original heavy-duty drainage system, which has been a staple drainage solution on highways and industrial areas for some 20 years. There is now a significant reduction in the required concrete haunch, saving on installation costs for contractors, but still retaining Load Class F900. A reduction of up to 32% in concrete haunch results in the same reduction in carbon installation. The standard units are now 1 metre in length. This speeds up installation considerably. The RoadDrain 100 8-pillar side redesign gives 71% more strength on lateral loads. By cutting the end plate, the sump unit becomes suitable for connection to any of the channel sizes. The access units now feature side knockouts, allowing for the creation of 90-degree junctions.
The multifunctional end cap can connect to any of the channel heights.
T-junctions can also be created by connecting to the access units. The 1-metre channels and half-metre access units are available in a variety of constant depths. This enables stepped installations using the step connector to achieve a cost-effective solution where greater hydraulic capacity is required. Here we see for the RoadDrain 100, the full range of constant depth channels and access units available, together with a universal sump unit.
The multifunctional end cap can connect to any of the channel heights.
It also enables the easy combining of the ACO RoadDrain range with ACO curb drain to effectively drain a road junction. To recap on the RoadDrain features: savings on material installation costs while still maintaining F900 load class. The access units allow for 90-degree junctions and T-junctions with the channel. Easily achieve stepped configurations with the channels and access units available in a variety of constant depths. The multifunction end cap allows for easy connection to ACO curb drain.